What's up, guys? Today we are gonna finally swap out the cables on the Civic. Thankfully, my uncle had warranty on the cables. I had a hard time finding it, thought it was lost, but sure enough, we find them and we're gonna swap them out. Now, I could have gone with a lot of brands, but I stuck to NGK not only because they're under warranty, but they're pretty good. They're thick wires. They're good with heat, vibration, your everyday use. These cables, they're really good. Aside from their spark plugs that do a lot, and their O2 sensors by NGK, they just removed the G. Really good brand. You remember, you gotta always swap out your spark wires. It will cause leak. You know, when they're damaged or cracked, like for example in the other video where I show where they have like damage where they crack, burn, they'll leak, voltage, which would give you a misfire, especially during acceleration where you might get that. You don't want that. That's not good. That sucks. So obviously you don't want that situation where your car is hesitating, especially you going up speed or whatever it is. You hit a certain speed on your speedometer going over 40 and it feels like it's not accelerating anymore. So that's the whole point of changing it. So that's where we left off last time, where I was cleaning them, happy that my uncle had wires available, but obviously there was a lot of these cracks, burnt spots everywhere, and so might as well just replace them if they're under warranty. Why not get new cables? Obviously we have a new car, we're doing everything on this car, so we want brand new stuff. Now, if you don't have the chart on which wire goes to what I suggest is taking out one at a time, compare the size, and swap it out. But in my situation, I kind of don't care because I have the paper on which wire goes to where, but it kind of makes sense by length as well. So this makes it kind of simple. So we're gonna unplug all of them. So that's what I mean. See, a lot of these just might as well just swap them out. Now we just unhook, disconnect each one. Old cables, new cables. Even the difference on the color, that's crazy. Let's remove this tape. And you want to apply some dielectric grease onto each end of the boots and where it connects to on distributor cap. Don't be shy in that mount. That's where you want to apply. You want to apply there in the boot. The reason for that, prevents any stuck boots, locks out any moisture, and prevents arcing. So you don't want arcing, misfires. So you don't want that. But just in case you want the firing order, there it is. 4 to 4. So obviously the smallest at the end at the corner, all the way to this. And as you can see here, 3 on the top right corner, which would be right here, goes all the way to 3. Yeah. And now last one in. Make sure it's all the way in. You want to sit that. Want to hear that click? Let's hear that. You heard that? That's when you want to hear when you're putting in all the boots into the spark plug. Now me, I like to play it safe. You want to make sure these are tugged all the way in. So I remove them and I make sure to put them back on real tug. Cool. Now they're on all correctly in order because we went to what the specs that we got on the firing. Now we have this clip to kind of hold this also in place. Let's grab that and we're going to apply that to this and we're going to kind of mount it on top. You can mount it any way you want. Kind of mount it on top like that and we're going to put this in order, see what that looks like. Bam! See that? That looks cool. Cool. Amazing. Great. That's how these wires look. These NGK spark plug wires look really amazing on the car. I'm going to have brand new spark plugs. I have brand new spark plugs. Now I have brand new spark wires. Charging up the battery. We're just getting a lot of things done. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, any other stuff you want to share. Please subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're close. We're almost there. Subscribe. Thanks.